I am sitting in my room, and behind me is a plateau of laundry that has been there for, I think, a week. No, less than a week. I should be kinder to myself in a lot of ways. I feel like not just with revealing how long my laundry has been on the floor, and I just got up from the same floor and realized that it feels as if I am waiting for something or someone who I don't know yet. Feels like I'm waiting for something to happen. And maybe I'm the one who needs to happen. And I have a pinched nerve, I believe, in here or on my back. There's snow again outside, by the way, and it's almost the last week of April. As you can see, behind me is the cabinet that I failed to close or didn't mind if it's open. And I don't know really what's the purpose of me doing this or the rest of my life in general, but I still feel like doing it anyway. I guess that's how I've been approaching this series of today's since I realized that it's gonna be a waste of experience and opportunity if I take myself out before my time has come. And I made that I decided to put that in a nice position, and so I also put my other paintings in like a nicer place in my room, and not just in one corner accumulating dust. And they don't have a layer of varnish on them yet. I have to do that. I have to do that in order to protect them. I have so many books confronting me as we speak, because this camera is positioned on top of them. I have 3 columns of books in front of me right now, and I have read at least one of them entirely. 2 of them entirely, and the rest I just read random pages. And these 2 books that I have read, funny enough, they both have orange covers. And that's the funny thing about orange. I know that I have told you that my favorite color is red, but my favorite dress is orange. And whenever I see that bright orange thing in clothes, and the clothes, the piece is well made, I would take them. And it's so quiet in here. It's so quiet in my mind also. I'm not sure if it's quiet because I'm calm, or there is some kind of absence that I am feeling. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's peace or the feeling of an absence of some kind. And again, I started this video not knowing where it would go. I guess this is just a record of, or an evidence of where I am at today. I guess that's just what this is, or what I needed to do to make me do the rest of the things that I have to do. And I wish you are having a lovely time wherever you may be. And I'm still gonna be here. The here may change. The here may change, but the promise will not.